Welcome back to another episode of Curios for the Curious. Today we're taking a look at a package for the PAQUI One Chip Challenge 2020 edition, which used a Carolina Reaper Sichuan Heat flavor. So you can see here, kind of a coffin-shaped package with some imagery. 2020, the PAQUI One Chip Challenge. A little bit closer, again, Carolina Reaper with Sichuan Heat. Inside, one extremely hot tortilla chip, and then a weight of 6 grams or 0.21 ounces. If you look on the sides, the illustration kind of continues on the package. Warning, it hurts like hell. And you see here kind of a boxing glove of a flame logo and more of the kind of flames on the outside there. Probably better in that direction. It's on across the top. So if we look on the back here, warning, do not eat if you are sensitive to spicy foods, allergic to peppers, nightshades, or capsaicin, or are pregnant or have any medical conditions. Keep out of reach of children. After touching a chip, wash your hands with soap and do not touch your eyes or other sensitive areas. Seek medical assistance should you experience difficulty breathing, fainting, or extended nausea. The Reaper shows no mercy. More illustrations there. And nutrition facts, ingredients, and again 2020 and some barcode contact info. So I'm sure you can reference other videos on taking the challenge. We're just taking a look at the package itself today. So we continue on the inside. There's quite a bit going on here. Here's the chip itself in its own little wrapper. Logo 2020, the title. On this side, same thing here. We'll set that aside here. And on the back side here, you can see here a Reaper with boxing gloves. Do you dare go head to head with the Reaper? Rules for the challenge. 1, eat the entire chip. 2, wait as long as possible before drinking or eating anything. 3, post your reaction on social media with those hashtag and mention the @code. Any last words? See here, kind of a boxing ring setup. And on this side, let's remove this really quickly. We can see here, one chip challenge, you the Reaper. Let's see that a little closer. You, a mere mortal who thinks, come on, what does that say? I wonder why it's buried under there. Okay, what they have, what it takes. Jeez. On this side, the Reaper heavyweight champ with Carolina Reaper pepper and a new Sichuan punch. Jeez. Okay, what to expect? Made with Carolina Reaper pepper, scorpion pepper, and Sichuan peppercorn, this chip was created for the sheer pleasure of intense heat and pain. Round 1, a spicy punch to the tongue. You see a whole bunch of logos there. Round 2, a fiery jab to the face. Round 3, impaired vision from tears. Round 4, a low blow to the gut. Round 5, KO, knockout. So we can see here also the flyer, PAQUI, real peppers, real heat. It's a fold-out flyer. So how long can you last before throwing in the towel, eating or drinking anything? 5 minutes featherweight, 10 minutes lightweight, 30 minutes middleweight, 1+ hour heavyweight. Continuing here, duke it out with these additional challengers. So we have here fiery chile limon, real peppers, real heat, super hot. Haunted ghost pepper, freaking hot. Jalapeno tropical, or tropicale, hot. Zesty salsa verde, kinda hot. And then mucho nacho cheese, not hot. And here was a coupon at the time. They expired in 2021. Free bag up to $5.99. Very nice. Continuing, this is again from 2020 and kind of a mini poster. The PAQUI One Chip Challenge Champion. So if you can post your self with that on social media. But taking a quick look at the media package here for the PAQUI One Chip Challenge 2020 edition. This has been another episode of Curios for the Curious. Feel free to check out other episode on artsy type objects. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. And we also do a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.